Welcome back everyone to the ThinScale Tech Blueprint. We're going to be continuing our mini-series on endpoint security and VDI deployments today with a focus on screen scraping and screen recording technologies, as well as some malware as well. Previous videos we've looked at key logging and how bad that can be if running on the endpoint, and today we're gonna show you some malware and screen capturing pieces running on an endpoint here. So we'll jump straight over to the quick demonstration. I'm going to show two virtual desktops. The first one being just a regular RDP session to another Windows 11 machine, and then I'm going to connect using the Windows app to my cloud PC. So first of all, I'm going to use the built-in snipping tool here just to be recording. So this is just me running a screen capture program on my endpoints. I'll try and grab as much of the screen as possible there, and we'll just start that going. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to connect to my test machine using the old MSTSC application. We can see here we're in the machine, and hopefully this is being captured by the snipping tool there. Close that one down, and then I'm going to do the same using the new Windows app application. I've got a cloud PC here, so I'm just going to go ahead and connect to that one. Just minimize. So what I have got turned on this cloud PC is the new or newish anti-screen capture policy, which has been configured in our Intune instance and deployed down to this machine. So hopefully the snipping tool isn't able to capture what I'm doing on this cloud PC. We'll just fire up Notepad here. Is this being captured? Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to do is run some malware. So I'm just going to fire this malware up. There we go. So the malware is now running. You'll see it's actually a dialog that's popped up. It's actually got focus on the remote desktop client here. I'll just OK that. Is this still being captured? There we go. That's enough. I will close that down and OK that. Okay, let's take a look at what the snipping tool was able to capture. Stop the recording there. Let's make this full screen and we'll just click play. So yeah, first of all, connecting to the test machine, and as we can see, there's no protections here. The snipping tool was able to capture everything that I'm doing on this remote connection to this Windows 11 machine. Close that one down, and then we'll see the same thing with the cloud PC. So here we go. So this is the screen capture protection technology kicking in. Obviously I was able to see this cloud PC live, but now we're watching the recording. We're not able to do so, which is great. It's probably me typing in the notepad, which we obviously can't see here. We go, and then in a second I should move over and launch the malware. Okay, so what we can see has happened here. So the malware ran as we saw when it was live, but what's actually happened in the background is the malware has actually disabled the screen capture protection on the endpoint. So now we can see exactly what was typed before the protection was removed, and obviously everything subsequent that's being done on that cloud PC is now able for me to capture on the on the snipping tool recording there. So there we go. Again, just a very short demonstration showing once again that you do need endpoint security, and good endpoint security, even if you're using only using those devices to connect to VDI deployments. And this isn't just applicable for bring your own. Any endpoint that you don't manage, you don't trust, and you can't guarantee that screen capturing software, key logging software, or potentially some malware is running on there, we can see what could potentially happen, and removing some of those protections that you think are in place. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all soon.